Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sheet pan shrimp and sausage. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 12 ounces of beef sausage, 1 pound of red and yellow potatoes, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 1 cup of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 cup of butter, and 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. Add your potatoes to a large pot, then cover with water. Now boil your potatoes for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat, then run cold water over your potatoes. In a small saucepan, melt your butter. Now add the garlic, parsley flakes, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Mix until well combined, then set it aside until later. In a small bowl, mix together the paprika, Old Bay seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Now season your shrimp with 2 tablespoons of your seasoning mixture. Add your shrimp and potatoes to your sheet pan. Now add the sausage, onion, and bell peppers. Now evenly coat with the garlic butter, then season with your remaining seasoning. Now mix well, making sure that your seasonings are evenly distributed. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.